Good evening everyone, I'm Daksharya from BITS Pilani campus. I'm going to present a stock pitch report on GlaxoSmithKline. GlaxoSmithKline, often abbreviated as GSK, is a global pharmaceutical, biologics, vaccine and consumer healthcare company headquartered in London, United Kingdom. It is the world's second largest pharmaceutical company and with operations based in US. It has 40 plants throughout the world and its presence is almost in 100 countries. It is listed on London and New York Stock Exchanges. Its CEO is Andrew Whitty. It has a portfolio of products for major disease areas including asthma, cancer, virus control, mental health, diabetes and digestion conditions. The ERIO structure has three major components: fundamental analysis, ratio analysis, and valuation. For fundamental analysis, we firstly do industrial analysis for the pharmaceutical companies. For industrial analysis, we consider Porter 5 forces model. Firstly, the power of suppliers, which is low, as though there are volume benefits, but there are numerous number of suppliers, therefore less switching cost. The industry competition is very high. The five major players only cover 18% of the market share, thus high industry competition. Threat of substitutes is very low as there is no substitute for the medicines. The barriers to entry is also very low, but some government policies are supportive for the entry, but there are price regulations still there. The power of buyers is also low. The end customers do not have any bargaining power as the medicines are necessary for health. The brand identity exists but still it's under the influence of the doctors. SWOT analysis. The strength. The strong sales growth forecast from the launch of portfolio in the future years. The vast sales and marketing forces throughout the mergers. Positive cash flow reserves. Its opportunities are CED's potential delivery strong sales growth in future as demonstrated by the future forecast, the recent cost-cutting initiatives, strong forecast sale growth from vaccine products. It has weaknesses like an aging portfolio of products heavily exposed to generic competition, the impact of safety issues, and recently expired patents. It has various threats like anticipated high exposure to generic competition, large-scale M&A activities, strong competition over next 4 years. As GSK is a firm which spread throughout the world, for valuation and ratio analysis purposes, we are only taking its Indian subsidiary. It is listed on both Indian stock exchanges, NSE and BSE. It has market capitalization of 20,415 crores. Some of the major ratio analysis best ratios are P by E ratio 38.99, EBITDA margin 32.15%, asset turnover ratio 1.34, and current ratio of 2.69. The EBITDA margin is a measure of how much a company's revenues exceed the cost of its operation. Thus, the higher the operation value, it's better for the company. With a good current ratio, the company meets its emergency needs effectively. For the valuation purposes, we have used two techniques, FCFE model and DDA model. With a growth rate of 6.05 and discount rate of 6.35, the GSK Pharma fair value should be 2262, but as it's currently trading on 2410, GSK Pharma is currently overvalued. Thus, the rating I give is sell. So overall, GSK is a great firm. It has subsidiaries throughout the world, but its Indian subsidiary, though has great ratios, is currently overvalued. Thus, I give it sell rating.